Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get Gimp. Gimp is a free software. It's basically Photoshop. So first you want to you want to type in Gimp. Bring you to a page, then you'll see Gimp. Then click go to download. Then it'll bring you here. You can scroll down and then you could directly or via BitTorrent. I will do directly. I already did that, so I will not be doing that. Then it'll open a page that says to install. Click next, blah blah blah. Then it'll start to install. It takes a while. Don't be confused if it takes too long. So then you want to go and you'll see Gimp. It will not be called our software. I changed it. Now it'll show that screen, but for longer, depending on how fast your PC is. Then you'll be here. Now I'm going to give you a quick tutorial too of how to draw. Just draw. Nothing else. Nothing special. Go to File. Go to New. Go to Advanced Options. You could fill it with a background color, but or you could just make it white. I'm gonna do transparent. And I'm gonna click, I'm gonna get rid of this comment. I'm gonna click OK, and I'll have a basic template. Then you could use the fill, and the cool thing is that it also changes the picture depending on what you change. So you could use airbrush and it helps you. So then I'm going to change the color by going to colors. Then you could change them, like with all these. I'm going to go to color balance, change this, make it maximum, which makes it white. Thanks, man. Thanks, Gimp. Thanks, Gimp. Now, I should be drawing white. If I'm not, back to color balance. Change it. Okay. If it doesn't work and it keeps breaking, you could go here. You could do some free things, but the easiest way is going up here. You'll see filters. But you don't want that. You could do patterns. No, we don't want that. Fonts. We don't want that. Document history. We don't talk about that. You can click add tab, go here, and you could click palettes dialog. Then you could get your palettes from here. I'm gonna click get default. Then you could you'll do that, double tap on it, and it'll bring you to the color palette, and you could change. So, yeah. That stands for, by the way. By the way, I'm changing my name. Make sure to do this. So good. No, yes. 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 Yes! 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 Okay, sorry. Bye-bye.